Hi everyone, welcome back to day 3 of My Creative Times 140th edition release. And today we are showcasing this set here. Love this set. It creates a 3.75 by 4.75 card base along with its layering dies. Love this set. There's 7 of them in the set. And let me just bring that up a little bit more close so you can see everything. And as you see, there's a pattern on here, as well as here and here. Those are the same patterns. And then we have stitching on the scallops going around. And then this layers on top of there. Really cute set. Very cute. Let me show you what else I'm using. Got a lot of products to show you, so I don't want to take too long. The paper packs. Here I'm using this, and this. The black, and I want to say this color, and that might be all from there. So really cute paper packs, spring 2024 and spring solids 2024. Those are the names of those. From the Stay Beautiful dies, I'm using this here. Oh, and as well as Happy Spring on the back side. From here, I'm using the Small Bees and its layers. That's the cute bumblebee dies. This set we're using Easter Wishes, and that is from the Ginger Easter Bunny set, as well as the die, the coordinating die that goes with that. Ginger 1, I'm using the little bunny pieces. The small and medium ginger faces, I'm using this one right here. I'm also using the XOXO border frame die, the largest one. Girl and ginger, or boy and girl ginger die set. I'm not quite sure. I'll have the name pop up across the screen for you, but I'm using the first set that she released. From the Etched Edge Z-fold card, I'm using this right here. And from this set, which is the holiday envelopes, I'm using For You. All right, so those are all of the products that I'm using. Okay, and these are the cards that I created. I love this card base. It is just such a cute card base. So I tried to change it up a little bit, made one masculine and the other two are just adorable, cute little cards. And so let's start with the masculine one. I tried to switch it up from using the scallops, and I just used the layering dies there. And so I did cut this out in 2 different colors. I used the black, the back side of this black. I used that there as well as there. And then I also used the gray to make it look masculine. This is from that holiday envelope, like I showed you. And I did add on some like honeycomb enamel dots, just really cute. I thought that was a little bit of a masculine touch, and I thought it would go very well with this card. So the inside is where I use that Z-fold card die. I use just that little envelope piece there to put some money in there, and then also I use that other layer for the inside. I thought that turned out really cute, just perfect, and I wanted to try and use the tag dies with this. So I got that one. And then next up, this is an A2 size, so I just wanted to show you how those layers look on an A2 size card. I thought it was perfect. And then I added another layer with that XOXO border frame die, just to take up a little bit more of that space on the A2 card, but I thought it turned out really cute. I pulled those little bees out from last year, and it paired very well with her stamp set. I love this little die here, absolutely love it. And then I also used a piece of this. I had cut this out previously, and I just wanted that little piece to go right across the top of that, so that I can imitate that scallop there and also bring it here. And then I wanted some some flowers down below. Just thought that was adorable, absolutely adorable. I didn't finish the inside of the card, but I will. And what I'll do is I'll pick up that XOXO border frame die and put one in the inside. But super cute. And let me just show you that a little bit more close so you can see the difference in the layers. In the sizes of the A2 comparison to the 3.75 by 4.75 card. Absolutely adorable. And then I seen everybody using those bunnies, and so I thought I would go back to those ginger bunnies and use one too. Just adorable. This is like the perfect size card for those bunnies. Absolutely perfect, and she is adorable. I did use a white gel pen and a Copic marker R20 to color up those cheeks, and I did just add just a little bit of highlight of some Distress ink just to add a little bit of color to her, and I just love how she turned out. And there goes that card base layer, and I did use the scallop and the larger one there. It's just too cute. She's adorable, absolutely adorable. And then there goes the inside of that one. And so that completes day 3, and it completes the release. And so I will have all of the information down below to my Creative Time, as well as my Design Team Sisters. Make sure you go over and visit all of the Design Team Sisters on Instagram, and if I can, I'm gonna try and link all of the links down below to the Instagram Design Team Sisters as well. And yeah, so that's about all. Make sure when you go shopping tomorrow, use my code MOE, M-O-E. I'll have that go across the screen, and come back tomorrow and we'll have a wrap up. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.